When I produced my first film over a decade ago, the experience was absolutely terrible. I jumped in head first with no clue about what it took to pull off a film production. I was just so happy to be creating, y'all, okay? So mind you, I didn't do any studying of the craft before I shot my first film. Needless to say, I didn't come out unscathed. I lost money, I messed around and hired a shady sales agent who bounced checks and basically stole my money. And I was stressed out because I lacked so much clarity on how to properly produce a film. So after all those huge missteps, I had to reflect on the things I did right, what I did wrong, and how I can do better the next time. And what I gathered is that one of my biggest mistakes was not learning the business side of producing a film. Who knew you needed to set up a business entity, develop marketing and distribution strategies, build business plans, create pitch decks, create line item budgets, and so much more. That's why I've created a collection of the best production development tricks, tips, and strategies I've learned from producing and distributing my own films and added them to my online course, Leveling Up Your Film Business, in hopes that I can prevent you from some of the mishaps I went through. If you're making a feature film, web series, or any kind of video content, leveling up your film business is the ultimate business blueprint that will help set you up for success. There's no fluff or fillers in this course or workbook. Instead, it is simply a fillable step-by-step guide that provides the framework for producing and distributing your indie film production. Now, I know that the business aspect is not as sexy as creating stories, being on set, working with actors, editing footage, adding visual effects, or producing musical scores. Nonetheless, it is the most critical aspect of getting a return on investment. I know all of the creative stuff is what you want to do, but the business stuff is what you have to do.